Now continuing with the same question, that is P sold to Q goods worth rupees 20,000 on 1st January 2007 and drew a bill for the same for 4 months. On due date, this bill was dishonored. Give journal entries in the books of Q. Now students, here Q is the purchaser, that means Q is the drawee. So here you are required to give entries in the books of drawee, and you are required to give entries in the following cases, that is bill is retained, bill is discounted and bill is endorsed. So just let us recall a simple fact, that is the drawee is unaffected by what drawer does to the bill. That means whether the drawer retains the bill, or he gets the bill discounted, or he endorses the bill, or he sends the bill to bank for collection. Drawee is unaffected by it. He simply issues the bill and later on date of maturity, he has to make the payment. So in this case, on 1st January, entry would be purchases account debited to P, that is being goods purchased. The amount is 20,000. Then on the same date a bill was drawn. So on 1st January 2007 a bill was drawn, that is P debited to bills payable account. Since P has to make the payment, so it is bills payable for him. Narration would be being bill issued to P. Now on due date, this particular bill was dishonored. So the due date can be calculated by adding 4 months and 3 days of grace. That comes to 4th of May 2007. This bill was dishonored. That means the effect of this entry in which the bill was issued should be reversed. So entry would be bills payable account debited to P, being bills payable dishonored, and the amount would be 20,000. Now students, just remember the effect of this entry. This entry makes sure that the bills payable that we had issued now stands cancelled. Since it was earlier credited, now it has been debited. On the other hand, the liability of P, since P has to be paid 20,000 now, it stands reinstated.